Hello. Lots of iMacs and Macs Minis until 2020 were configured with mechanical hard drives that lower dramatically their performance. In this video, we'll surpass this problem, making our Mac fast again without needing to disassemble the computer, and also, as a bonus, giving the old and slow internal hard drive a new and more suitable task. That can be done in all iMacs and Mac Minis with USB 3 ports. This is all models from 2012. For doing so, we need two things that we can buy online or in a computer store. First, we need a 2.5-inch solid-state drive SSD. The storage has to be at least the amount of the internal hard drive, usually 1 terabyte. We want to buy a known brand like Crucial, Samsung, Western Digital, and we have to be careful with cheap imitations. For example, we can choose this one. The second thing we need is a 2.5-inch case for this SSD that can be connected on one of our USB ports. For example, this cheap one will do. It is necessary that the case supports at least USB 3.0. When we have them, we connect the drive to the case and the case directly on a free USB port of the computer, not through any hub. Then we go to the Launchpad, Others, and Disk Utility. This application will delete the data of any drive we erase. So if you do that, be careful, have security copies on disconnected drives if you need them, and understand that you do that at your own risk. Here we have to give the new drive a format to be able to install the Mac OS operating system. At this point, we don't have to have any other external drive connected, like a pen drive or SD card. We go to View and show all devices. Then, in the external part, we have to see our new drive. We make sure is the drive correct with the name of it, the storage match, and there's no data on it. If in the internal part we see container disk X, the format we need is APFS. If not, macOS Extended Journaled. We select our new external drive and then we click on Erase. In name we write, for example, macOS USB. Format in this case is APFS and scheme git. We click Erase and we'll have our drive formatted in few seconds. If we get this message, we click Not Use. After that, we need to reboot our computer and do it in recovery mode. For doing so, we need to press and hold the keys Command and R since we press on reboot and until we see the Apple logo appear. When it finishes booting, we go again to Disk Utility. We select again in View, Show all devices, and then in the external part, we select Container Disk. We make sure it's empty, and then we right-click on it and click on Restore. We select the one that says Data, if it exists, and Restore. It can be a long process, we just wait. Okay, it's done. Now we have to mount the partitions that there were created. We right-click on it and select Mount on both. Okay, we select the first one and we change the name. We click on the name and we put the same name we put before, which was Mac OS USB. All right, as you can see, it changes on both. Then we close the disk utility, we go to the Apple menu and we select Startup Disk. Okay, here we have to select the new one, the macOS USB, and we press Restart. Perfect. We booted already from our external drive and we can feel how the speed of our computer has increased. Job done. But if we want, we can give the internal drive a new job. Make automatic backups of your files with the built-in application Time Machine. Doing so, we will erase all the data of it, so we must be sure that we have all of them copied on a reliable drive. Again, if you decide to do that, it's your own risk. We open this utility for third time and now we select the internal drive. We click on Erase. In name, we write Time Machine, format, Mac OS Plus registered, and git. Erase. On the pop-up window, we choose Use this disk. The first backup will start shortly. You can leave the computer turned on until it finishes. And done. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please press thumbs up. You can subscribe for more content like this and feel free to leave some comments. Bye for now.